We're heading out in the deep.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm. County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Navy Strip near Rockford, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Force, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage, vehicle system. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Hammond, Orland Park, Kingman Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Inglewood, South Shore, Wilson, Chicago Lawn, Williams, Oak Forest. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
A lot of
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Will County in northeastern Illinois, east central Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until midnight. At 10:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were Keynote to near Manhattan to 6 miles southeast of Elwood to Gardner, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Henley Park, Chicago Heights, Oak Forest, Harvey, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, Frankfort, Braidwood, and Wilmington around 11 p.m. Peatone, South Holland, Glenwood, Posen, Bickmore, Taunton, and Phoenix around 11:05 p.m. Calumet City, Lansing, Dothan, Cedar, Riverdale, Crown Village, Greenwood, Creek, and Fort House around 11:10 p.m. Around 11:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
location of the raw
per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Lexington, Loudonville, Belleville, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Gann, Mohicanville, North Liberty, and Chalk. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Knox, Morrow, and Richland. This is NOAA Weather Radio. Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lycoming County in north-central Pennsylvania, western Sullivan County in north-central Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Huggiesville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. locations impacted include Muncie, Hodgesville, Kettle Creek Gorge, Muncie Valley, Picture Rocks, LaPorte, Fortsville, Eagles Mere, and Hillsgrove. This includes Interstate 180 for mile markers 10 to 19. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lycoming and Sullivan,